Hello, welcome to my channel. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background within Optical Flares, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button preset. To understand all the points, you would better slow down video a bit. That's why all my buttons pressed toward big sky. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. Business collaboration, welcome to my web address. On my second channel Machine Footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only. Important to know creation some footage as may require some price plugins, since the speed of the processing make this much easier. On this video I will show all the buttons pressed. You can slow it down via YouTube player.